Hello guys, and welcome back to another video from us here at Cloud9. Today we're going to be drilling into the field level security side of Dynamics and the customization behind that. So let's jump straight into it. So most of the time people just say, oh, so I've got security roles within Dynamics, is that all I can do? I've got this specific field that I don't need people to access. Maybe it's a currency field, maybe it's a profit field that you make on specific clients, and not everyone needs to see that. So what you can do is you can actually security that on a user level, and you can only give specific people maybe access to read it, to edit it, or maybe even just not see it at all. So let's jump straight in on how to do that. So you're going to start out by going to your navigation bar. Obviously where you've got your tabs, go to the settings tab, and under there you should have security, and then within the security tab we've got field security profiles. So in here is where we're going to create the profile of who can see what and what they can see effectively on a field level basis. So it's going to go ahead and create a new field security profile, and we can just give it a name. So we're just going to call this one testing, and then we're just going to save it. And now that we've saved it, we can go ahead and we can choose who we want to add to that. May it be a group of people or a team within Dynamics, or maybe just specific people. So we can go to users, and you can simply just add the applicable users that you want to add. I'm just going to go ahead and add myself, and then you can see that you just appear like you would in a normal grid or list. So then you've got your permissions. So under common you can see that there's field permissions. So if we click into there, this is all of the fields within the system that have fields level security enabled. Now I'll show you how to enable that on fields in a little while, but obviously this is how you choose the permissions that people have. So for example, we can just start with this field here, open deals. We can select that field and click edit. And then within here you can choose what the rights are. So this here says allow read, no, allow update, you can have yes or no, and allow create, you can have yes or no. So we're just going to say yes, they can read it, and we can OK that. And we'll just wait for that to load. Perfect. So you can see that now, okay, so open deals, read yes for this specific user. Okay, so that's how you add it, and we'll just go ahead and take a look at it from the front end now as well. So we're going to navigate to our account entity where the field is based. So let's just jump into an account record, and then within our account record find the applicable field. Cool, so we've got open deals here, which is obviously the field that we've edited on our field level security profile, and we can see that yes, we can read it. And obviously, like we can here, because it's a calculated field, obviously it's locked, but we can in fact see and read the field. Whereas if we were to go ahead and change this field level security to be read no, then we can see what happens, and obviously we won't be able to see the field. So let's change it to no. Let's save this. Go back here, and we'll just go ahead and refresh the page. And as you can see, now all we can see is asterisks because we don't have the field level security profile to be able to see that field. So the only other part of field level security that we really need to worry about is obviously allowing fields for field level security. So this is really simple. All we're going to do is we're going to go to our drop down menu, go to settings, go to solutions, and open up our relevant solution, and then we simply just go to the correct entity we want. So for example, let's go account, and we're going to go to fields, and then this will display a list of all the fields we have within the system. For example, say, okay, so I only want specific people to be able to see telephone 1. So we double click into that field, and you can see that there's a box here called field security. And then you can have this enabled or disabled, and it's as simple as simply clicking the enable button, saving and closing, and then ensuring that we publish all customizations. Now what that will do is that now has enabled that field for field level security, and we should be able to see it in our field level security list and just treat it the same way as we would any other field level security profile. So now that that's published, all we now do is open up our field level security profile, refresh the list, and we should be able to see, there we go, the address one telephone number within there. And this has got a few more permissions, obviously because it's not a calculated field. So we can allow read write, which is yes or no. We can allow update, which restricts who can update it, and obviously you can allow create as well. So that's who can fill in that field when the record is created. So that's pretty much all we need to go over on field level security. Obviously, if you guys do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, or you can email over us at support@cloud9insight.com. Cheers for watching, guys. Feel free to check out any of our other videos or leave suggestions for videos in the comments section.